Welcome back to another video. Today we are filming a house for sale in Upper Ajijic in a gated community called Riviera Alta. Riviera Alta has been around for the past 20 odd years here in Upper Ajijic. It's a lovely quiet gated community with a fabulous clubhouse. Today we're seeing this very nice one-level property behind me. It's a 2-bedroom with a den, all open plan. Really easy living. You do have some little peekaboo views of the lake too, heading south. So today's a clear day. I'm going to be showing you that in a sec. So today, let's go and check this property out, guys. Really excited to show you this one, listed for $459,000 US. The video is on its way. Welcome to Casa Goya today, that sits on a lot size of 461 square meters with a construction of 221 square meters. As you can see from the facade of the property, yes, we're all on one level, and the property heads south. Here on my right hand side, you've got a carport here for 2 vehicles, ample space for 2 vehicles, and either side of the carport here we have some storage space, a bodega here and a bodega there. You also have entrance into your laundry and then your kitchen area directly from the carport, which is handy. I like what they've done just with the succulents. It's very easy maintenance garden here, really like that. Come on in. There's one step coming into the property. When we walk into the foyer here, you're greeted with a Boveda ceiling, a small Boveda ceiling, and a very nice light fixture as we walk in. It's very nice. Coming through this arch into the main living area. First of all, we're greeted with the living room here, which is centered off with a gas fireplace, which is very nice. Opens up nicely to the dining area and then runs off to the kitchen. This whole big room is topped off with a very lovely Boveda ceiling, brick exposed Boveda ceiling. Very nice work here. Coming through into this great sized kitchen, really ample space, lots of workspace, I have to say, lots of cabinetry. The house is coming furnished for the listing price, and obviously with all the appliances as well. The house is in great condition. Coming in through here, this is where we have the laundry area with your washer and your drying machine, and this is where we can also come in and out of the carport, as I mentioned earlier. There's a peekaboo view from this property, and I can see the lake from here, which is really neat. Coming out of the kitchen, this door takes us out into this screened-in covered terrace, which can be used all year round. And I love what they've done. They've made it into a very comfortable seating area. Also, they have a dining room table there too. These doors open back into the screen terrace. When we come through this arch, we're greeted with this den area. This could be a 3rd bedroom if needed, but it also works perfectly as a TV room. They've got a nice piano here and an office space. Coming into the principal bedroom, you've got plenty of space here. This is a king-size bed. This room is also topped off with yet another Boveda ceiling. You also have an air conditioning unit here too. We have a ensuite bathroom here with a double sink vanity and a walk-in shower. You have an ample size walk-in closet too. What I like about this room, because we are south facing, we can come out here into the beautiful south facing garden where we can start taking in views of Lake Chapala. Just before we come into the guest bedroom here, which has a Jack and Jill ensuite bathroom, full bathroom with a 1-sink vanity and a nice walk-in shower, I have to say. Coming into the guest bedroom that is facing north, so it's a little bit cooler than the other room we have here. A little walk-in closet as well, but they're using that more as a storage closet for right now. Coming out into the south-facing patio. I like what they've done here with their garden. They've made it a very easy maintenance garden. If you did want to put a hot tub or something like that, there's plenty of space for it. The sound of this fountain is just lovely. As soon as you walk in the property, you can hear it. Very relaxing. This is the perfect little grass area to have your doggy. Before I take you down to the clubhouse, I just want to show you on top of the house, there's a table and chairs and you can take in some great views. So a few properties up here in Riviera Alta actually have a seating area on the roof, and this is one of them. What a pretty view. It's also very nice up here. You get some very beautiful views of the mountains as well. Casa Goya also has its own solar system for your electric requirements as well. Welcome to the clubhouse here in Riviera Alta, and it is one of the nicer clubhouses in the area for sure. I just want to point out here on my right hand side you have a fully equipped gym with your treadmills here, elliptical machine, you've got a weight section. Here on my left hand side here in the clubhouse you have a library, which is really nice. Walking through into this very large clubhouse, nice entrance. You've got a lot of space to come and chill. I'm sure they do get-togethers here all the time. Lots of nice comfy seats. Coming over here, this is where we have a great size lap pool. As you can see, there's a cover on it right now because they're trying to keep it warm. Also to point out, we have a tennis courts as well. It's a really complete clubhouse. There we have it, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video tour today. If you'd like to see this property, feel free to reach out to me. Here is my email on the screens. If you'd like to subscribe to the free monthly newsletter talking about new listings and activities to do, check it out. The link in the description. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care of yourselves. Hasta luego, amigos.